Okay, so for our second question, it is found in page 31, the first exam for 2016. Okay, 2016, that is on page 31, number 7. Okay, not number 7, okay, with number 8 and number 9. Okay, so I have the diagram on the board. Now the question is said from the above pie chart, if a man earns 300,000 monthly, then the number 8 question says, how much does he spend on food? How much does he spend on food? Now, anytime we see a pie chart is just a circular representation of a particular data. Okay? A circular representation of a data. Now, what happens? Anytime you see a pie chart, according to what we have here, at least we only have 3 data. Okay? But 2 was given, we know savings, and we have food. Food is given and savings is given. Okay, this side was not given because it is not necessary. Okay, but for you to just know this, that whenever you have a pie chart, the sum of all the angles must be equal to 360. Okay, so if I add all the angle for each data, it must give us 360. Assuming they gave us the data here, of course we should know the angle also. If I add that angle to 92 and 72, it must always give me 360. Okay, now according to the question, they said, how much does he spend on food? Now, first of all, the question told us that the man's salary is equal to 300,000 naira. That is the man's salary, 300,000 naira. Okay, so they are now asking us to find the amount he spent on food. The amount he spent on food. Now, for me to get the amount he spent on food, all I need to just tell them is the angle for food. So amount spent on food, let me call it AF. Amount spent on food is equal to the angle of food given to us is what? 72. So I say 72 divided by total angle in a pie chart will give us what? 360. 360, okay? I have 360 times the man's salary. Okay, because this food is just a fraction of the man's entire salary. So I have 300,000. I have 300,000. So we divide out. Okay, so basically 36 can divide 72 to give us 2. 36 can divide this to give us 10. So 0 cancels one of the zeros. So you see we are now left with 2 times 3, 30,000. And 2 times 30,000 gives us what? 60,000 naira. So the amount of money he spent on food is 60,000 naira. Okay, now let's quickly look at the other question. That is number 9. They said, how much is his savings? How much is his savings? That means what amount of money did he spend on saving? So if I want to see the amount spent on saving, the amount spent on saving will be equal to the angle for saving, which is 92. I have 92 all over. Total angle should give us what? 360. Then times his total salary, which is 300,000. 300,000. Okay, so I try to multiply that out to get my answer. Of course, 0 cancels 0, and let's get that done in our calculator. Okay. So for the next question, which is number 9, they said, how much is his savings? How much is his savings? Now, if I want to get the amount that he saved, how do I do it? Okay, I will just simply tell them the angle for saving, which is 92 all over 360 times his total salary, which is 300,000. I have 300,000. So 0 cancels 0. Now, after multiplying this with this and dividing by 36, I should be able to get 76,666.67 naira. Okay? Now, but if you look at the options, there is nothing like this. Our closest answer is 77,000. And because it is 77,000, it means that this number was approximated to the nearest thousand. And that gives us 77,000 naira. Okay? So the amount which he saved is 77,000 naira.
Welcome to Mydreamsacademy.